Hi, this is David Heller with MCAD Cafe, and we're here at IMTS 2012, and I'm with Jim Lindsey. Jim is the product manager at Sigmatech. Hi, Jim.
Hi, how you doing?
Doing great. Hey, Jim, maybe you could give me a kind of a high-level overview of what nesting is, because I understand that your product SigmaNest, that's what it specializes in.
Nesting is the ability to take sheet metal parts or plates from the CAD system or product that you're doing and nesting them together, kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. Taking all the pieces and putting them on a flat plate is the most efficient way to get the most utilization out of that material.
Okay, so you've got a flat plate, yes, and you're laying out the design, the different components in a way on this, or the different cuts here. Now, what kind of cutting tools would go in there and cut this out?
There's a number of different machine technology that we support: plasma, laser, water jet, routers, punch machines, to name a few.
Okay, so when you put your designs down, or put what you're going to be cutting out down, you can put more than one design down at a time, or how does that work?
Yeah, I mean the kind of one of the concepts, the bigger bucket of parts that you can get makes the most efficient. So kind of the traditional way was taking one part or one product and nesting those out on a sheet. Well, with SigmaNest, what we can do is we can dynamically nest multiple assemblies from different work orders or different orders together of like material and thickness to get the most efficient nest, and laying those out so you get a really tight nest, real efficient nest, mm-hmm, but still only doing what is required as the shop floor needs it. So
now, suppose you have an output from a CAD tool, CAD design tool, and it's a sheet metal output. So you're compatible with various.
Yeah, I mean, obviously we take the DXF, DWG, just the standard formats, but we also have native translators for SolidWorks, Solid Edge, Inventor, NX, Space Claim, Solid Rhino, to name a few. Hopefully, I'm not missing too many there.
Okay, and so what are some of the new developments that you like to talk about with SigmaNest?
Well, this year we're getting ready to release version 10. One of the biggest components of version 10, which we'll be previewing at Euroblack in Germany, as well as FabTech in Las Vegas this year, is the enhanced nesting, or the new nesting engine.
Okay.
The new nesting engine is more efficient. It's a huge leap in technology to get a more efficient nest. So what about this new version, the version 10? Is that what you're talking about now, or yeah,
it has more?
Well, version 10 is which we'll start previewing at Euroblack next month, okay, and again in Vegas in November.
Yeah, well, I'm just curious, what are some of the other things that SigmaNest can do in addition to what we just discussed?
Well, I mean, also improvements besides the nesting in version 10, and that we also do very well today, but again, more enhancements to the product are improved cutter path, being able to do a more efficient cutter path simulation, and for reducing pierces and things like that.
So you must have a really good relationship, a very tight relationship with the people who are making the actual physical tools that are cutting the sheet metal.
Oh yes, we have many OEM partners and even ones that have their own software cooperate very well with us and help us run their machines very well.
So you have to understand how that machine works so you can customize it for a specific machine? Yeah,
each machine has its own unique capabilities, and we have to capture those within the software and with basically a machine driver, and those are custom written for each individual machine, and we do a very efficient job at that.
Okay, and is there anything else that you'd like to talk about or to bring up while we're here?
One of the other things that we're with plasma cutting that we're showing a lot lately is something called BHQ. It's bolt hole quality. It's in a very efficient way. There's micromanaging basically the cutter process on a plasma machine. So every detail of the height sensing, the way the flame is cut, the feed rates, all those things are getting micromanaged, giving you a very good, precise hole. And we're doing that for a number of different machines, not just one type of controller or one type of machine, along the plasma cutting process.
Yeah.
And then another part is with water jet, trying to be able to, or not trying, we are effectively handling the bevel cutting on a water jet with tail wash management and things like that. And that's something that we're showing here at this show, because we have a lot of water jets at this show.
Wow. And I understand that people can actually try your software?
Yeah, we have, depending on the situation, we can get with our reseller in their area, and we can, they'll show you the software first, and obviously if it fit, we can possibly set them up with a trial version, yeah.
Yeah, and on your website has a lot of tutorials and other material?
Yeah, actually check out our YouTube page. There's a SigmaNest channel. Mm-hmm. We've been putting, last couple months, lots of different videos up there. We're redoing all of our tutorial videos here in the last couple months. So lots of neat things to check out.
Okay, so that's www.youtube.com/SigmaNest.
Yeah. If you just type in on the keyword SigmaNest on the YouTube, I know you'll get there.
Okay, listen, hey Jim, it's been a pleasure talking to you. And I know it's early in the show, so you can't tell me how the show's going for you yet, but I'm sure it's going to be a big one with all this traffic we're having right now.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it will be a very good show.
So have a great show, and thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.